How to verify Business Manager on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to verify your Facebook Business Manager without any hassle. So stick around till the end and let's get started. First, open your Facebook Ads Manager account and log in using your Facebook credentials. On the Ad Managers page, look at the left sidebar and click on All Tools. A side window will open. Here, select Business Settings, which will take you to another page. On the Business Setting page, click on Business Info. This section displays your business page information. Look for the business verification status and click on View Details. If you see the message that you are eligible for verifications but the button is grayed out just like mine, don't worry, I've got you covered. Open a tab and then search for Facebook for Developers. Click on the first link that appears on the top. Now click on My Apps and then click on Create Apps. Give your app a name, any name that you like, and then click on Next. Scroll down and select Others, then click Next again, choose Business and then click Next one more time. In the Business Portfolio drop-down, select the business page that you want to verify. On the app dashboard page, scroll down until you see Facebook Login for Business, then click on Setup, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else over here. Once you have done that, you will be ready for the verification process. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.